The whole story of measurement is very, very old. From ancient days, even when people were not civilized, then also they used to measure. But in the sequence of the history of measuring instruments, we start with Vernier calipers. Before that, we had so many, but the relevant part starts from Vernier calipers in modern days. Vernier caliper, mathematician Vernier, Pierre Vernier, he designed this instrument, and this is used for measuring length, breadth, and thickness. It can give the accuracy up to 3 decimal places. You see, when it comes to precision, the least count, we must know the minimum possible measurement with the help of any instrument. For Vernier caliper, this least count goes up to 0.1 millimeter. For screw gauge, it goes to 0.01 millimeter. Whereas for the ordinary scales that we use in our student life, for that it could be up to 1 millimeter. We'll discuss every part of Vernier caliper in separate. This has been clearly shown here. See, for measuring outer dimension of some cylinder, this lower part, lower jaws are used. You want to measure the inner part, inner dimension, inner diameter of some cylinder or pipe or tube, you'll use the upper portion. In this instrument, there are 2 scales. One is always kept fixed, that is known as main scale or the head scale. Whereas there is one movable or sliding scale, it's known as Vernier scale. On both the scales, there are calibrations and divisions, but you would call it main scale, and this is Vernier scale. For sliding Vernier scale, you have one screw system, it's shown over here. If you want to measure the depth of something, here some pointed part of this caliper you see. Vernier scale having number of divisions, likewise main scale. If you want to find the least count, for least count we have 2 approaches. One is least count equal to MSD. M main, S scale, and D division. One main scale division upon number of division of Vernier scale. It's number of Vernier scale division. It's one formula for finding least count. The values are given in the numerical and you are supposed to put the values and find the answer. This is one way of dealing with the problems of least count depending on the set of values given in the question. There goes one more relation for least count, that is MSD minus VSD. VSD stands for Vernier scale division. Suppose you have been given the relation that N VSD, that means N Vernier scale divisions are equal to M main scale division, then you could say 1 VSD equal to M upon N MSD. That means you can write down here in place of VSD M upon N VSD. We have taken the help of this result. By putting this value, you conclude and have one very common result. This will be main scale. Very common result, 1 minus M upon N MSD, this is the least count, means we could get the relation for least count in terms of main scale division. In terms of main scale division, you are having this, provided you know that N VSD are equal to M MSD.